Alright guys, so y'all gonna have to rock with a kid today. Today I am actually trying to rush and get some pre-emergent for our yard so I can just rake up the leaves and like blow off our front patio, just everything. It just has, the yard is just a mess right now. And even though we're not gonna be at the house and we're not at the house, I still wanna give our grass a chance to be green when we do return back home. And this is how I'm spending my Sunday morning. So just rock with a kid. I found my pre-emergent. I need that Let's Go 007. I don't really know what that means or what it is, but I'm in this Facebook group where people talk about their yards. Yes, I am that person. So, oh Lord. Dang, I almost tore out my bag. Let me make sure I need this. Okay, this is $30, $29.98. Let's Go 007 grass. This is a big bag, so I'm gonna have to get some because we not about to do this. So just rock with a kid. I got y'all today. It's gonna be a little therapeutic. Y'all probably gonna hear some music while I'm doing the yard. So let's get it. Let's go. And we out. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, the reason why I'm rushing is because it's supposed to start raining in about an hour. So I'm trying to beat the rain to get my pre-emergent down. So I'm kind of running behind. All right, here we go. Listen, I'm also one of these kind of people. I used to love doing that when I was a kid. I'm getting to the bag. Getting to the bag. Said I'm getting to the bag. Yo, this thing is heavy. You guys, I love Home Depot and Lowe's. I just want y'all to know that. Especially when it comes to doing yard work. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. All right, nobody in checkout, so it's about to be me and only me. I'm getting in, I'm getting out. Good morning, guys. How are y'all?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Can you have loading bag?
I should be able to grab it. It is kind of heavy, but I need to work out, so.
32.45.
All right, perfect. Fix your hair, girl. Fix your hair, girl. Yeah, I'm a vlogger on YouTube. Thank you. Yeah, y'all have a good one. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. If you look at the clouds, it does look a little cloudy out there, so hopefully I can get some of this down before it rains. So we currently actually have our contractors at our house working right now. They are cutting the wall. Hello. Hello. So let me get to it. Like I said, I'm gonna let them do their thing. I gotta do my thing outside, so I gotta let the garage up and I'm gonna get to it. But just so you know, they're like cutting all the way around the house now, 2 feet up. Yeah. Y'all are doing a good job though.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, y'all are doing a good job.
My name is yours.
I'm Brittney.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Yes.
you.
This is our house, so y'all are doing a really good job, so thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm just gonna be out in the yard working.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be outside working in the yard.
That's great.
Okay. So again, y'all, we're just letting them do their thing. I'm gonna be out in the front yard. You see, we got all these leaves. I just want to go ahead and get that out so I can put the pre-emergent down. So I'm doing a lot of talking and I need to do more working. So again, rock with a kid. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. All right, so I got y'all set up with me. So I'm gonna keep my mask on, so because I'm gonna be kicking up a lot of dirt. So I'm gonna fast forward this so y'all can watch it. Rock with us, 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 rock with us. Rock with us, rock with us, rock with us. Are you rocking with us? Rock with us, rock with us. Tell me, are you rocking with us? Rock with us, rock with us. Are you rocking with us? Rock with us, rock with us. Tell me, are you rocking with us? Rock with us, 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 rock with us. Are you rocking with us? Tell me, are you rocking with us? Are you rocking with us? Tell me, are you rocking with us? So I did it, guys. I raked up the entire front lawn. So as you can see, I raked it all. Here's the evidence. Here's the evidence. Yeah, all the way around the block. All the way around. And I did it. So now I'm about to cut the lawn super short. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down the pre-emergent and just let it do its thing from there. Okay guys, so it is officially raining, but I got the lawn mowed. I'm about to put down my pre-emergent, which I need the rain because our water is currently cut off in the house. So I need this rain right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put down the pre-emergent. I've cut the yard. I'm gonna bag up all of this shrub and then I'm gonna get out of here. So I appreciate y'all rocking with a kid. This is me doing a little housework. Even when you're not in your house, you still got to take care of the things that God has blessed you with. And because he has so blessed us with this home, we're still going to make sure we take care of it, even if we're not living here. So we'll be back in our home soon. But until then, continue to rock with us. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Peace. Guys, so I did it. I made it just up until the rain. It's been raining just a little bit, but I was able to rake up the grass, mow the grass, blow off the grass, put down the pre-emergent. Now I'm getting a little bit of rain and I'm excited about it. So I appreciate y'all rocking with me while I did my yard today. Hopefully y'all are having a good day and I will go ahead and enjoy the rest of mine. Yeah. Stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button. And if you've been subscribed, then you've been riding with us. Ain't nobody gonna hold you down like I do.
Stay true to you like I do.
Spoil you like I do.
Adore you like I do.
Clean for you like I do.
Cook for you like I do.
Ride it down with you.
Ride it down with you. And that's why I said I